Díobh buacailí fáilte anseo dé lúna táin tá mé fós sóáile ag fanacht buchas le dia dé déirnín siúin be mé arás ar scoil agus mar sin de be mé ag leanúnta ráig leis na físeán Zoom. Inniu tá mé ag fécint ar cúpla rudaí simplí tána assignment sa stig agus ceartig méid an cuid is mó acu agus tá ansásta lei sin. So quite happy with a lot of the assignments that are in. People, spent obviously a bit of time doing them, and results are quite good. So let's keep that up and keep the enthusiasm up over the next little while. So ag tusnú aniu leis an leabhar, so caig tú an leabhar a bheith gutsa. So oscail an leabhar ar leathanach céad is a 40, 114 lads with the book, please. So céad is a 40. Ag fécint ar an léifhiiscint seo an léifhiiscint a bhí gwyn. This was our comprehension that we had the other day. Again, nice and easy to download that app, CJ Fallon e-reader, and then download your book using the code on the inside of your book so you don't have to bring it home. Very handy. I've been using it all the time. Okay, so léifhiiscint Ibrahim. Anytime we're doing a léifhiiscint, lads, in future, you're going to look firstly at the title, then you're going to look at the pictures that are there, and then you're going to look at the questions that are there afterwards. As well as that, as you'll have seen, we'll go back to on Lehanach Seo, Táil folklore hís an seo. So 16, 30, fihe né, fihe seacht, fihe hocht. And these words are down here at the bottom for us. Okay, so cad é an rud seo, tábhata corúlacht ibre séideag, cad é sin crime. Okay, so we look at, obviously in the real exam, we're not given all those nice words to help us out. Pity we're not, obviously. So féic ar an title agus an picture. Agus is scan Anna Colúil, very famous é seo, The Godfather, Marlon Brando, Astor actor, iontuch abba é. So sin an ceann. Agus an tedal, cad is sprí leis an tedal, ahar, father, mock, son, agus an mob, Éireannach is the Irish mob. So an léifhiiscin seo faoi an corúlacht, an mob, mafia in nua áireach, agus an mafia Éireannach, okay? Agus tá sé faoi fear seo Joe McBratney ar an trílis is déanaí. So ag fécint ar cúpla cuid in ceistena an seo. Okay, so ní raibh sé ró éasca. Obviously, it's a bit of a step up here. So we have to be expecting it to be quite difficult. Now, what we're going to try and use, which you should have been using, is my favorite website here, folklore.ie. Very simple to use, very easy to use. Let's say, for example, we have a word here, ceiste chathair é, cura. Right, what's cura? So, tearash, cura. Agus feimid amach. Cura is an invitation. Okay, cén cura, invitation. Better still, Goill. What about this verb? Cén cad a ghuill ar Joe McBurty faoi marú ahar. What afflicted him? What affected him? After what hurt him? What upset him? Okay. So tá fis a gcuin conversation a úsáidenis. Cúpla ceistena a raibh sort Jacker an seo. Cén stór chorúil a bhí ag Jimmy McBratty sular chuir sé a plan le chéile. So what was his star? We know is that is a one of the subjects, obviously. Star is history. Cad é star chorúil, and if corúlacht was crime, on star chorúil his criminal history. Joe McBurty sulla an plan a bhí le chéile. Okay, what was his criminal history? So This 3B was also a difficult one too. A lot of people got 3B wrong. Cunas on Tamar fad Keeling Shin how. Cunas how. Cunas a fágag mac Bratney agus a drung on carn more arrogant. So drung, cadas brile drung. Shin shees and shot drung on gang. So Cunas how. So even if we didn't know the whole lot, how MacBrearty and his gang money. Okay, so we should have had an idea from the last one, the plan. How are they going to get this money? How would they get? Okay, Faigh, to get is the verb. Faig would get. So how would MacBrearty and his gang get on Cairnmore Arrogate, Alon Arrogate? Okay, so let's just pop back to Alta 3 and let's just go through it together. And I want pens at the ready. Make sure you take down some of these words. There may be some words that are useful that we'll look to write in as we go. That's really important. They said you're supposed to have Gá cópláir, Cealt cópláir one, ag an deireadh scríbhaisteach focail nua. So at the back of one of the copy, you should be writing in some new words there. Okay, lads, Oscail céad is a cehardéig, gachtainna. Oscail an leanach céad is a cehardéig, Alta 3 lína a hain féic seo. Déanta na fíorna, hí terma prisúna cur isteach ag Jimmy as robáil nuair a cur sé féin agus drung beag curpach navsplach Gael Americanach agus idálach plan le chéile a bhí an brabúsach. Okay, just a reminder, what are we looking for here? Okay, we're looking for Cain Star Corul Avi, what was his criminal history? Okay, and then Cunas a Vogug MacBratney agus a rung on Cairn Moor Arrogate. So what was his history of crime and what was their plan for getting this big sum of money, this big payday? So we've got it straight away there. We have already. Now, some people didn't put in the important one. We needed to know what was his criminal history. Not just that he went to jail, but why did he go to jail? Agus féicear sin robáil. Okay, anna tábhachtach bhfuil sin safragra. Níl sé safragra, níl an ceartagad. Okay, if you don't have robáil in the answer, you're not going to get the mark. So, focail tábhachtach fearna is truth. Okay, write that in. F-I-R-I-N-N-E. A good phrase I like to use a lot is Cunan fearna rá, to tell the truth. So in your oral exam, hopefully you'll get to use that. It's a nice phrase. Cunan fearna rá is small on a counter. Cunan fearna rá talán áisne muscal. So fearna is truth. Terma prisúnacht. Prisúnachta is a prison sentence already put in by Jamie for robbery. Nuair a cur sé féin when he and on agus an drung beag curpach, so the other small group of criminals, navsplach, independent criminals, so they weren't in an actual gang, obviously. Gael Americanach, Irish American, agus idálach Italian, plan le chéile a bhí an brabúsach. So we see that was a profitable, they put a plan together that's very profitable. A caravet dain shéireach, but very dangerous at the same time. On plan a bhí acu, no, and this is our answer, okay? On plan a bhí, this is the answer for 3B. On plan a bhí acu, no, drungadori éagsúla a fúdacht, agus na $1,000 a deargad fúscailt á éileamh. Okay, cad is spríle sin. Fúdach, that was the key one I said to many people here when I was correcting there, is that they didn't put in this word, okay? So, plan fúdacht, kidnapping, okay? So they were going to kidnap, really high stakes stuff here, kidnap gangsters from other gangs, and then put up a bounty on their head in $1,000,000, try and get a couple of thousands of dollars from the gangs then to get those people back. Okay, so there's your answer for that one there. A couple of the other questions people found difficult. Fake Aaron Ceann Shaw. Iver cuaig a cén aim atá ag Joe, cén what, aim is an aim, A-I-M. You might write that word in there, important as well. back of the copy, AIDHM. An aimimetágam ná alán éis all san áirteist. An aimimetágam ná Gaeilge líofa ag gachtainna tar éis an rang seo. So what was Joe's aim of the documentary? And then, so how, Cunis again, this was a tough one. I actually struggled with this one myself because it's not asked in the clearest way. And that's an important verb. Var is to last, okay? Or to survive. M-A-I-R, get rid of the H because the H puts it into the past tense. So just get rid of the H, M-A-I-R equals to survive, to last. Last mostly, I would say. Last, to last. How did Joe last longer than 21 years? So that was a reference to the life of gangsters and how they don't last too long. So let's look for 5B there at the very end. It's at the top of this page. Okay, fake and shot. So we're not going to go through all that. That's the answer to the first one. Okay, so near the very end, Chastíon uam fáil amach cad é an cinál saol a bhí ag daoine eile a raibh bail dá teaghlach buinteach le cúrach éigithe cad é a tharla dóibh. Okay. So I would say a casme balak ella. Balak, another word that we want to put in there, lads. Balak is way, W-A-Y. A casme on balak ella. I went the other way, speaking of not going into a life of crime. Tastian uam fálamach cade on kinal sela viagdina ella. So he wanted to see what life was like for other people. That's your answer, okay? He wanted to see what life was like for other people. Okay, Ian took our fad. So, Oberma, got our ma good Fukali. Take the Cade Fiha a Shea. 126. Let's go to 126 now, everybody. 126 Lower. Okay. Now we've gone through a lot of questions already here. And we're going on to from Ivrakar on Gardine. So, ag vacant your shop. Unwill Gardine Agriv Inishtum Fui. So you might be asked about this. So we're going to go through all these questions from 126 to 131. And then when I'm finished the video, you're going to go back and answer these into your copy, having gone through them with me already. So let's just look at them together first so we understand what we have here. Have you a garden? Tell me about it. Unwill Gardine Agriv Inishtum dom fui, tá garden a gum, os coranti, culanti. Okay, so you might have a garden in the front or the back. Níl garden a gum, I don't have a garden. Okay, so, and then if you do have tá garden a gwyn, tá sé go hálan, tá sé grana, tá sé mór míltach, beag bídeach. Okay, so for example, you might say tá garden a gum, tá sé beag bídeach. Tá garden a gum cúlantí tá sé go hálan. I have a garden at the back of the house, it is lovely. Or I have a garden in the front of the house, it is small, it is tiny. Bra nata. And again, these are words that you can use in lots of other things as well. So you might be talking about your bedroom. Tá ma seomar colata féin a gum, tá sé go hálan, tá sé beag bídeach, tá sé bra nata. It's lovely and neat. Unkempt, that means it's just a messy tá níl an garden go deas. Other things that we have here, so what you might have in the garden, what you don't have in the garden. So maybe you have, so hopefully grass, I suppose, bláhanna, flowers, that'd be the kind of best ones. So you might have, again, looking at the bottom part here where the icon is, tá fair agus bláhanna ag fásamh. Okay, tá fair agus bláhanna ag fásamh. Níl faic ag fásamh. So there isn't anything growing there. So again, it's kind of obviously good the way they've it laid out. That this part is your first. You pick one of these, you pick a couple of these, and you put them with this one here. So tá cran úil ag fásamh. There's an apple tree growing there. Níl tada ag fásamh. There isn't anything growing there. So those two words are good. Faic and tada. Right? They sound like great words too. Faic, anything. Tada. Neil Tada Aun. There isn't anything there. So I might come down one of the days in a couple of weeks when we've been doing homework and find out someone hasn't anything done. And I might say, Sean, Neil Fwack Aun. There's nothing there. Why is that? So there's your first question. We'll be doing that when we go back in a few minutes. Ervar Ivrado. Cain ober a yin in tussa sagardine. What work do you do in the garden? Well, Calm ishke na glasri and ish cerise. So Calm ishke, I put water on, I water them, garum, I cut, scubum, pucum. So unfair, uncusson, nefali, and ish cerise. Another a really nice phrase. I'd really encourage you to write that in there now and again. Okay, so you might say Imrian me cricket, no Imrian me soccer and ishisarish. Okay, I play a game of cricket now and again. Play a game of soccer now and again. Ten me ag snov and ishisarish. Okay, so that's a really nice phrase there. I encourage you all to get that one down into your copy at the back and make sure you use it. Tá obervalja agam in Gaeilge and ishisarish. Okay, gach luin. Okay, so saura, sagira, safor, sanarach. So you might say, garum unfair, sasaura. I cut the grass in the summer. Or scubum nefali, sun or. So I sweep the weeds, or the weeds are leaves. You could put in leaves there, or weeds. It says weeds, but you could put down leaves there as well as much. And again, if you don't do any of this work and you're lazy or just unhelpful in general, you put ni kaham ishke erna blahana, ni kaham ishke. Or you could say instead then, as they have mom or dad or Sean or Mihal or Anya do it. So kahan mom ishke erna glasri. Okay, keeping going down along here. If we're an important one, this one is an important one now. So the other ones about the Guardian, we'll do them, but they're not as important as this one here. Inishtum for the counter, tell me about your area. Okay. Okay, so maybe it's a suburb of Dublin. So Brooke Balcha de Valia Achlia Isha A. It is a suburb of Dublin. Asta Tihiekta Isha A. So Tasha Sitcha Ilar Natuha. So what you'd say here is, again, so Brooke Balcha de Balia Achlia Isha A. Okay, it's a suburb of Dublin mostly. And also we could say Tasha Sitcha I in its own, Lar, Na, and instead of Tuha, you'd say Caharrock if it's city centre. So Tashe Sitcha I Lar na Caharrock. It's situated in the city centre. Okay. Moving down along here, Katie na Hotchen Atos and Ot, Ta Alon Ot. There is a lot to do in the area. There isn't anything to do in the area. There isn't anything to do here. So great. So let's say pretty much all of us live in Dublin, so there is a lot to do. Tá alon le déanamh sa counter, and then right down here, tá galore áisina sport, whatever it might be. So you take one sentence from here and one sentence from here. So tá alon le déanamh sa counter, and then you might say tá roinnt áisina sport sa counter, or you could say tá roinnt áisina símsíochta sa counter. Nice and simple. Again, loads here, loads at the top. Keep it all together. This is the same question. Tá Neil. So you might just list these. So tá sé péal teach taverna stáisiún na Gardaí, linn snámha agus cuairt le dóige aghainn freisin. So we have those as well. Again, for most of us down here, if we're talking about what's nearby, we might live near the Liffey, or we might live near Sandymount, so we're near the beach, the sea. Most of us live near the sea, comparatively with other people. So you might say, Tá an farige in Acalin. Yeah, Tá an farige in Acalin, Tá an awan in Acalin. Maybe you live a bit further out near the Dublin Mountains, tá na Sléibhte in Acalin. Okay, so we're again keep building up the picture of different things. Cadatala Dainov Ido counter. And when you're writing these in, lads, I would appreciate if you wrote the question and as well then write in your answer underneath. What is there to do in your area? Well, where do you go? So I go to the X, Y, and Z often, now and again, every Saturday. So pick 2 or 3. That's the best way to do it. You don't want to be just putting one thing in all the time. So pick 2 or 3. So Tame Goody on Court Ladoige, Picturelin, Agus Laurelin, Gomininic. Or you could say Tame Goody on Club Oige, Linsnova, Agus Hallasnooker, and Ishsarish. On Malacta counter, do you like your area? Well, Isma Lum, Nima Lum, Mo counter on Art. Martáise, why? Great. You like it? Well, it's malum on art, martáise, glan, agus cuan. You don't like it, you might say, ní malum on counter, martáise, turnach, agus ploda. Keep going down along here. So next one here, again, couple of questions that I want to put in here about multiculturalism in the area. Are there people from other countries in your school? Oh yeah, definitely. In our school, tá anaquid ilchultúrachas tá sé Jackar é sin ará sa counter gan éana go in our school tá an tá daragar, and we're very lucky in that way. So tá cuid tá lán ó tíortha eile sa counter, or you might say imach skull there instead. And then down here we're going to go with tá dína ó, and you get lots of different countries here. A lot of countries in our class even are represented here, but we're talking about the bigger picture, yeah? So tá dína ón Poland, ón na Filippini, ón Nearmán, ón Brazil, ón Rúis, ón Ind, agus ón Spáin, sa scoil. So scoil is fine here in our school. Okay, so again, when do people come to Ireland? Some of them came to Ireland, lots of different reasons there. Cain Changa. So again, like, I suppose, really, when you come to the bottom part here, probably not going to get asked this part, but again, reasons why people came to Ireland. You're probably doing very well to get asked that question. So if you're getting asked, why did people travel to live in Ireland and what were the good aspects of living in Ireland, you're probably doing really well. So maybe have that up your sleeve, but it's not as important as the other basics at the minute anyway. Okay, Cén Seanga ar Laurian Sheed, what language do they speak? Unmian Berla Aku, do they have English? Bina Quid Berla Anva, Den Quidismo. Again, we're thinking of here, instead of really talking about our area, we're talking about our school here, because we do have such an ilchorachas sa scoil seo agus tá sé sin go híntaach. Agus don cuid is mó tá a cuid béarla anmha ach bíonn a cuid Gaeilge réasúnta uaireanta go háirithe na daoine atagan san idirbhlín in transition year, bíonn cúpla daoine acu bíonn siad lag, bíonn an béarla lag acu agus agus sin ón Spáin agus ón Idáil agus níl Gaeilge níl béarla anmha acu agus níl éon Gaeilge acu ach déann siad rangana sa béarla de ghnáth, okay, yeah? So we might just mention that part about our friends from Spain and Italy that come over. On Quarantine fáilte ribh na daoine ó tíortha eile, ceapam, you might be able to tell me better than I can answer that. Let's see what we write down. Be looking over, what. Again, getting these finished. On as tira ela husa, are you from another country? Ni he as Aaron Misha, Sha is as an Ind me, is as an German me, is as an Folan me. And again, answering down along if we have here, if we've answered that we are from a different country originally, or maybe that our parents are and we were born here. It'd be great to talk a little bit about that, because you may be asked about that in the exam, and it's just good to have her prepared. An má leat an tír seo. Okay, and there you go. There's 131. That's so. Now in a few minutes when we finish here, you're going to answer all the way back here from Héna Dó Sé 126 question 1 all the way into the copy, all the way Gudi Lahanuk. K Trucka Hain 131. Okay, so using your book, going through that, having it done well. But before we do that, one last thing I want to have a quick look at. Héna Seachta Dó. I've had a couple of people have emailed me the Shrop Bichur, which has been great. We did that in class last week, but I'd like a few more people to send it on to me as well. I have about 3 or 4 at the minute. Again, just take a picture, try and keep your copy upright if you can, straight, and take the picture. Don't turn the copy sideways because it's a lot harder for me to see it. Turn the copy straight up. Take a picture on your phone, send it to me via email, tburns@ryancollege.ie, and it's quite simple to do that. So again, we're looking for 6 sentences per picture, past tense, first person, you're the bully here, all of this stuff that's going on here. I just wanted to show you one thing there that was important. Going into our Teams page, well, again, using this Bhliain Gaeilge. So again, if you wanted to know what a snowball was, so you'd see Lírod Sneachta, okay. Or let's say you wanted to have a look at what was, okay, you got in trouble. What would we say there? Trouble. Let's just go with trouble altogether. Okay, problems, inconvenience. Bad behavior, 5. So tribload, yeah? So that's the word we want to get there. Again, it gets it to be pronounced here in Connacht Irish, Munster Irish. So again, if you want to pronounce in Connacht, it should come up.
Tribloid.
There you go. Munster Irish.
Tribloid.
Ulster Irish. So very different. You can hear the different community. Ulster.
Tribloid.
Munster.
Tribloid.
And Connacht.
Tribloid.
Okay, so it gives you an idea of how we need to kind of work on listening to those different people speaking, because they speak in very kind of different way. Obviously all Irish, but so again, wanted to go back to this here, Shrop Bichur, but before that, Nahana Usadak right here, let's open it up. When we're doing these Shrop Bichurs, instead of it all being simple phrases, 2 or 3 kind of words, like I was trying to get you to use, like Cuig or skull, you want to add in a little bit more than that, okay? So come to the useful phrases, pop right down here, and we'll find that we've got a section dedicated to Shrop Bichur. So Gotubin, all of these are nice phrases for the Shrop Bichur, so try and put them in, all right? So, again, Gana Hill and Willa, without further delay, nice and simple, okay? Look for this one here. If we're a car, picture a car. Gana Hill and Willa, without further delay, Cuig me, Goody Unifig. Without further delay, I went to the office. I was very lucky. If you on Tall Dara Gurm, could use that one as well. What else here? I was terrified, yeah? Okay, so I was terrified. We could look to this one here. When I went into the principal's office, Fi me scéibhlethe I mo bheatha, Mom on shit, or sorry, mo cara anya an seo agus misha. Okay, gentlemen, so that's the class for today. I want you now to go over those oral questions that we just did, 126 to 131, and write them out into the copy. If you haven't done the Shropshire yet, make sure you get that done as well, and make sure that all of that is done then for homework tonight. And we'll see you for another class tomorrow. Okay, Gurb Mahagwif.